people, I just want to do a quick video on Planet Nubu and the end of the world. Well, if the world does end on 2012 and a big tidal wave comes and hits the East Coast, and it does come to where the West Coast falls into the ocean, we won't be around on Earth. Why? Well, it said in the Bible, Jesus will come like a thief in the night. And he will take us all up to heaven to be with him when the end of the world comes. He knows when the end of the world comes. So stop making those end of the world videos. You don't know when the end of the world is going to be. Only God knows. And I don't think it was Nubu that had to do with Polar Shift and the Titanic and that Noah's flood. You know what? I don't believe that. But what I do want to tell you is, I do believe that there are planets out there that go around other stars, and maybe Nubu is a planet we could go check out and see if they have aliens on it. That's my thought.